Okay, for 102, they have a graph of age against years, right? Age versus years. And it says for A, fully describe the association. So even without a trend line, we can see that it's a positive, right? Positive correlation or association, right? And maybe we could say there's no outliers. And I'm okay if you don't state exactly how much the association is or the correlation. As long as you say it's positive or negative or no correlation, I'm fine with that. B asks us to copy the scatter plot and draw a trend line. And then it asks, does your y-intercept make sense in this problem situation? So let's do that. Let me clear this. I'm going to try to bring this over, right, so I can get a bigger space here. Okay, now let me draw a trend line. Again, I would use a straight edge, right, but something like, actually that's a little high, let me clear, something like this looks like a good trend line, right, and I should really stop, you know, as I get to this, and just so we can see it, this would be extended down, right? Okay, so now it says, does the y-intercept make sense? Clearly not. The y-intercept is negative, right? It's a negative number, and if we look at this is height. There's no way that somebody has a negative height, right? You could have no height, but you not have a negative height. So I would say no, it does not make sense.